Hi, my friend. How are you today?
I am good. How about you?
I am fine. What are you doing now?
I am watching sports videos. I really like sports.
That's great. Which sport do you like the most?
I like football and cricket. What about you?
I love cricket. It is very popular in our country.
Yes, many people play cricket. Do you play regularly?
I try to play every weekend with my friends.
That is good. Playing sports keeps us healthy.
Yes, it gives energy and reduces stress.
Who is your favorite cricket player?
My favorite player is Virat Kohli. He is very talented.
I like MS Dhoni because he is calm and smart.
Do you watch live matches?
Yes, I enjoy watching live matches on TV or mobile.
Me too. Sometimes I watch highlights when I am busy.
Which sport is more popular in your area?
Mostly cricket and football. Many children play after school.
In my area also, people play badminton and volleyball.
Do you think sports are important for students?
Yes, sports help students stay active and focused.
I agree. Sports also teach teamwork.
Do you like indoor sports?
Yes, I like chess and table tennis.
I enjoy carom and badminton.
Have you ever joined a sports competition?
Yes, I played football in school tournaments.
That sounds exciting. Did you win?
Yes, our team won one match.
What is your favorite moment in sports?
When my team scores a goal, it feels amazing.
I feel happy when I hit a six in cricket.
Do you exercise daily?
I try to run in the morning. What about you?
I do stretching and light exercise.
Which sports do you want to learn in the future?
I want to learn swimming. It is useful and fun.
I want to learn basketball.
Do you follow international sports events?
Yes, I watch the World Cup and Olympics.
Me too. It is interesting to see players from different countries.
Sports bring people together.
Yes, sports create friendship and happiness.
Let's play together someday.
Sure, that will be fun.